multi-tool knife with a key ring and a whistle attached to it. I've had it for a while. Hold on. Sorry, so shaky. I'm using my tablet. Have a compass there. And it's a little blurry, hard to see. Then you have a screwdriver which has the flat head, the Phillips head, hold on. Trying to do this one-handed is not that easy. A knife, which is sharp, pretty sharp. A little pair of pliers, spring action. Little bits for the screwdriver piece. Sorry that it's so shaky. Having difficulty here with one hand. A can opener and a bottle opener. This part right here is like a P38. And yes, I just opened a can of beans. A flathead screwdriver larger and a wire cutter piece down here, and I'm assuming another bottle opener. Not quite sure on that one. And here we have a corkscrew. It had a light, but the button broke out. And over here you have a nail file. And on the other side, you have a little screwdriver to fix your glasses. That is it, folks. Have a good one.